One day as I dawned through the toon o' mine I dearly loo, I cam across a spiky chiel, but he was only passing through. The Hurcheon heaved as we heaved up, tear in his peery ee. It gar'd me greet to think o' him as being fear o' me. You didna mean to mak me jump, o beastie blithe and sklinner. You only meant to don a roon in search o' scran for dinner. And noo I've got you in my sicht, I'd like you just to ken that beasties hae as much a richt to bide in toon as men. We hurkled doon to hae ourselves a canty blithe wee blether. The Hurcheon speered at me about some politics and weather, how 80 days had left Cranruch in snaw aboon the street. He went skiting doon the pavement and could hardly find his feet. He tell't me times were muckle tough because as abdy kens, global warming isna good for spiky beastie friends, and Hurcheons ken this mair than maist as in the streets they bide. They cannae turn the heating on nor spend cold nights inside, and so I pledged wi' everything I hae aboon my soul that I would try to tak tent o' the things I can control. The Hurcheon don his way wi' a smile upon his face, content that he had done his part to save the human race.